Spoiler alert, data has no intrinsic value. By itself it loses currency with underuse, and it needs to be kept securely lest someone break in and steal it, and it needs to be piled high and stored cheap for an unknown and unanticipated future use. This byproduct of the information revolution is now increasing in exponential quantities every year. But sadly, this increased supply has not been matched with a commensurate increase in demand. Sure, there are some companies that have made a lot of value out of this freely available, abundantly available resource called data. You look at Google, Alibaba, Twitter, Facebook, they're all data mining oriented companies. But in fact, they say data is the new oil. Earlier this year in 2014, the company that mines data, Google, just crossed the company that mines oil, ExxonMobil, in valuation, which is a big landmark. If data is the new oil, we have to think about which oil it is and what happened when oil was the new oil. Before ExxonMobil, there was this company called Standard Oil, which was in the business of selling kerosene for home and street lighting. Kerosene is a heavier oil, and it doesn't come out of the ground as it is. You have to mine it out of the ground, and you have to then refine it and sell the heavier kerosene and burn away the more volatile pieces, which were completely useless at the time. This went on until somebody created the internal combustion engine. The more volatile gas, oil, is what you and I buy as petrol or gasoline. It changed the face not only of Standard Oil, it changed the face of the entire industry, entire economies, and the trajectory of history. So if data is the new oil, the question we really have to answer for ourselves is, where is the internal combustion engine that will make this data worth storing, worth keeping, and worth paying for?